we're making besan sabji. Yeah, Mami Gina. Yeah, besan. It's like flour in India. And then Mami Jean makes. Kita Mami Jean besan? 1 cup besan and 1 cup also funny. Same amount, 1 cup, 1 cup. But it will not be hard. Then you make us it.
And inside, red chili powder, salt,
The chili powder you put.
or wine.
Wait, Mami Jean put oil. Butter, Mami Jean, butter oil na. I like oil.
Mustard.
Mustard oil in place and I put it so that. And you wait it for to be hard, you wait. You will wait? Eh? And how many minutes?